बेहद की परम शांति. Welcome to our channel Bapuji Deshrat by Patel. Bapuji is explaining about Janalok. Param Shanti. Now I will tell you about Janalok of our solar system. Janalok is above Maharlok. The population is very high in Janalok, so it named as Janalok. Here the souls will have the complete knowledge of solar system, about Brahmapuri, Vishnupuri, and about Supreme Abode. But they lead normal life here. It is in 2 crore yojana. Means if we take one yojana nearly has 10 kilometers, then it is in 20 crore kilometers. It's very big. It exists previously, but now it's not like that. I told you before that this solar system was changed and it is in 1.6 light years. 1 light year is equal to 94 billion kilometer radius from Earth. Our solar system became very larger because so many souls came from other solar systems and galaxies. Now everything was changed. Now I am telling to the children about the past history and geography of our solar system, so they can understand much better. In Janalok, so many people live like family, same as on Earth. But they will have the knowledge. Here, there is wife and husband relation in 3 elemental body, that is in air, ether and fire elements. They will have somewhat pure body. They do creation also. In Maharlok, creation doesn't done. In Maharlok, souls lead a normal life. They just roam here and there. But in this Janalok, men and women leads a family life. Here men and women becomes one form and do the creation of children. They have the family. They can create children as their wish. Means same as their features. Previously in Janalok, creation was done. What I am saying is all about the past things. So keep it in mind that this was happened previously, not now. Here population is very high. In 20 crore kilometers, souls lives as different groups. Like a small village, 5,000 souls lives in one sphere, 10,000 souls lives in another big sphere like a big village. Likewise 20,000, 50,000 souls like village, district, state. Likewise, here we can see the administrative system. But there won't be any rules and regulations. There are big groups also. With 1 crore souls has a group, 2 crore souls has a group, and 5 crore souls in a big spheres. In thousands of kilometers of a diameter of a sphere, there are 5 crore, 10 crore souls lives as a group. Like on Earth, here also there are good buildings with 3 elements. 3 elemental mountains, rivers. A very good atmosphere is there, same as on Earth. They will have the knowledge that we will be safe up to Mahakalpa Pralay. They will have the knowledge about Bhulok, Bugurlok, Mahalok and Janalok, Tapalok. They have knowledge of both below and above planes. They don't have wish to go to Brahmapuri or Vishnupuri. Like on Earth, here also different type of religions, creed, community is there. They give guidelines to the souls to go to above planes like Tapalok, because here some souls tries to go to above planes like Tapalok by doing austerity. Here in Janalok, souls knows that their lifetime is up to Mahakalpa Pralay. They can estimate when Mahakalpa Pralay is going to take place because they have that knowledge. Mahakalp Pralay happens after completion of 100 years of Brahma. Time speed is different here. Brahma's one day is equal to 4,032 crore years on earth. That is, time is different in different planes. Svargalok's one day is equal to 1 year on earth. Maharlok's one day is equal to 10 years on earth. In Janalok, the layers are good enough with pure air, fire and ether elements. Its good dimension or lok. According to my estimation, Janalok's one day is equal to nearly 100 years on earth. I visualized it, so I am telling you. Here souls have relaxed lives, but they are not luxurious. They do very little bit of creation. On very long standing, here some souls get bored and they think to go to above layers like Tap and Satyalok by doing austerity. On doing austerity, souls get power to go to Tapalok. Mostly, souls remembers incorporeal Shiv and remembers Vishnu. Like demons on earth, some souls remembers Brahma also. They knows the difference between Shiv and Shankar, that Shankar lives in Himalayas. They knows the difference between Shiv and Shakti. Mostly, they worship Shakti. This is a good layer. Here souls lives happily and peacefully. They are not luxurious. Just they live like a family and they do creation. Only some souls do creation. Here in this layer, there are so many souls who came from other galaxies and universes and they try to go to lower planes. So many souls comes and goes to these planes. The souls who are here advises them not to go down further. But the souls who came here to roam around and fond of doing adventures comes to Svargalok and from there they fall down to this deadly world. On name of adventure, they comes into 5 elements and get trapped here. The souls reaches Tapalok by doing austerity here in this Janalok. Param Shanti.